What I'm going to make today for this afternoon, I'm going to make chicken liver. I have this one, so let's cook them. This is what it looks like. This is the chicken livers. First you open the container, then you wash them with cold water. If you seen like this kind, like this one right here, take this out or take the whole thing out. Don't cook it, don't eat it, because it's so bitter. Once you cook them, it's gonna ruin your chicken liver. It's gonna be all so bitter. All right, here's are the ingredients for cooking the chicken livers. I have 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 small bay leaves, and a small onion cut in half, slice, 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. If you don't have the powder, you could use the chicken cube bouillon. If you have a small one, use one. If you have the big one, just cut it in half. And also 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 3 tablespoon of soy sauce, and that's it. And I also have this one, thyme and basil to sprinkle. Not too much, just a little bit for extra flavor. The chicken liver is been rinsed in cold water, so this is ready to go. I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in there. It's heating up. I will be cooking the chicken livers at medium-high heat on the stove. Once it's heat up, put the onion first. I prefer to put the onion first because if you put the garlic first, it burns so easily. It cooks easily. Not just burn too. Stir it. Next, garlic. Garlic. Stir it again. It's time to put the chicken livers. Next step, put 2 small bay leaves, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder. Like I said earlier, you can use small cubes of chicken bouillon or big one but cut in half, and a little bit of basil for extra flavor, and some thyme too, a little bit. That's how I like it. You can do without, but this one, it's added extra flavor. Trust me, it tastes so good. Stir it gently because the chicken liver is very soft. Alright, and let it cook for 5 minutes, and I prefer cooking it in the pot, and then I put the cover on. Oh, and this one as well. This is optional. I like spicy, so I'm going to cut this in pieces, and then I'm gonna put it in the chicken livers when it's done. So that's extra flavor for me. But if you don't like spicy, if you don't have any, don't bother. It's fine as well. It's just for myself. I like spicy. It's been cooking it for 5 minutes. Let's stir them. Add the 3 chilies, hot pepper, Thai hot pepper. We have chili. I like it spicy, so add it on. Yeah. Leave the cover because we're going to reduce the sauce. Because we have some more in here. So we reduce the sauce. We will cook it for 5 to 10 minutes more, and that's it. Another 5 minutes is up. We still have some more of the liquid in. We'll put another 5 minutes, and that's really it. Our chicken liver is finally done. After cooking for 15 minutes, it reduces all the liquid in, and that's ready to eat. Let's try them. Yay, it's finally done. I'm a Filipino. We serve everything with rice. So that's it. We'll try them. Well, it's been finished. It's done, so let's try them. It's very good. Wow, I told you, the thyme, basil, and other herbs, it added extra flavor. And also, I like hot pepper, so I want to eat them with the chicken liver. Hey. Oh my gosh, I love spicy. I want another one. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna continue eating. Bye bye.